Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Learn channel. We are in the Learn Hindi series, and in the previous video we have seen how to write the vowels, that is swar. In this video we are going to see how to write the consonants, that is Vyanjan. There are 33 consonants in Hindi, and there are some special three special letters which I have provided in the end. In this, the first is the Ka series. This is the Ka series. Ka, Ka, Ga, Ga, Nga. And the next one is Cha series. Cha, Cha, Ja, Ja, Nya. And the next one is Ta series. Ta, Ha, Da, Da, Na. The next is Ta series. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. The next one is Pa series. Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, Ma. Apart from this, we have Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha, Cha, Sa, Ha. And the three special letters are Sh, Tr, Nya. So these are all the consonants or Vyanjan in Hindi. Now let us see how to write them. So we are going to see the Ka series first. This is the first letter is Ka. The next letter is Kha. The pronunciation will be stronger. The next letter is Ga. And the next letter is Ga. In any series, the second and fourth letter will be pronounced strongly. And the next letter is Nga. Next, we are going to see the Cha series. This is Cha. Next is Cha. The next one is Ja. The next one is Ja. And the next letter is Nya. Next, we are going to see the Ta series. The first letter is Ta. Next, Tha. Next, Da. Next, Dha. Next, Na. The next is Ta series. In this, the first letter is Ta. Next is Tha. Next is Dha. The next one is Dha. The next letter is Na. Previously, we have seen this Na. So the difference between this Na and this Na is that this has to be pronounced strongly. Na is this, and this one is Na. The next we are going to see the Pa series. The first letter is Pa. The next letter is Fa. The next one is Ba. The next one is Bha. And the next letter is Ma. And then we have these 8 letters: Yara, Lava, Sasa, Shaha. That first one is Ya. The next one, Ra. Next one, La. Next one, Va. Next one, Sha. Next one, Sha. The next one, Sa. And the next one is Ha. The special letters starts with this. The first one is Ksha. The next one, Tra. The Tra will be written in two ways. Some people will prefer this way, and some people are in some books you will be finding this. So both are correct. So you can follow any one of this. And the next letter is Nya. So that's it for this video. While writing, you would have noticed that some of the letters are looking very similar. So please pay attention to those letters while writing carefully so that you can avoid the mistakes. So in the next video, I'll present you the similar looking letters with a minor difference for you to easily identify them. Okay. Thank you for watching the video.